Transition or gradients mean a subtle shift or a movement from one to another. In drawing, we have a value transition or value gradients which are very important in rendering form realistically. Transition or gradients take place due to the turning of the form, fall off of the light, and variation in local value. Transitions or gradients have four characteristic direction: the angle at which the transition travels between the light and dark; orientation, the angle at which the values in the transition align, usually cutting across the direction of the incoming light; shape, the structure of the underlying form determines whether the transition of value are straight-edged, curved, fanned out, or circular; and rate, the speed at which the transition moves from light to dark. The factors that affect the transition on rounded forms are the shape of the underlying form, the rate of the curvature of the surface, and the direction of the light. If you have got any value from this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more.